Sean, let me make a cook now, boy.
This hour?
Hey friends, welcome once again to tingsnice.com. It's your girl Sha here. I am reporting fake live from my kitchen. So I'm bringing to you this new aspect of Tingz Nice and bringing to you some additional content that I think you might enjoy, and I'm calling it Tasty Tingz. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram at Tingz Nice. You should. But if you do, you've probably been in my Instagram stories and you've probably seen me whipping something up in the kitchen on a regular basis. I do tend to get lazy in the summertime, but for the most part, I'm pretty active in the kitchen. I love to eat. I love to cook, I love to host, I love to share my food. So Tasty Tingz is another way for me to share a little bit of me, a little bit of my culture with you. When I started this whole blogging thing, I actually started with a blog called Lime and Dine. And on Lime and Dine, I shared recipes, I shared my favorite restaurants to go to in different states, in different countries. And it was a really fun way for me to let people in and a fun way for them to kind of get tips on, you know, how to host or the proper way to like do something, right? All my seasonings and things like that I use. So I'm bringing it back in a way with Tasty Tingz. So I'm starting off today with my Carnival Recovery Soup, and if you are a Carnival vet, you already know how crazy things get, right? You know what liquor does to your body when you're consuming it so much. You already know what the lack of sleep does to your body when you're fetting so much. So with your immune system so low, it's only right that you take care of your body as best you can with what you take in. So my Carnival Recovery Soup is something that I live by. Nobody can tell me that it doesn't work, along with like this whole special tea remedy that I have. Shout out to Jason. But the Carnival Recovery Soup is basically chicken soup made with love, and you put whatever starch you want in there. So it's really simple. It doesn't take that long. And it works if you do it right. Before I leave for any carnival, I make sure that I have soup in the freezer. So I'll make a batch, even if I don't plan to use it or eat it anytime soon. I just make a batch to have. If I've like, oh, my friends are sick, here, take this, right? So I just have like all these little tubs inside my freezer, and I can show you one right now. So basically it's just made out of, you have chicken, you have celery, carrots, dill weed, broth. I use powdered bouillon cubes, chicken bouillon cubes. And then if you want, you can put whatever starch you want in there. It could be noodles, it could be brown rice, it could be regular rice, it could be dumplings, it could be quinoa, right? All these things. You could be barley. I love when I put barley in there, right? All of those can be options for you depending on what you like. And to kick it off, or to like just add that extra kick, I always add spinach, like whatever is in there to kind of make it like the healthiest that it can be. You can also add kale. Like there's so much that you can do. So tune into the recipe. It'll be on Instagram, it'll be on my website, and let me know how it works out for you. Let me know how it tastes. Let me know what you put in there. Share pictures with me. And I just look forward to all that you guys have in store from your kitchen. So thank you once again for tuning in to Tasty Tingz at tingsnice.com. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Sean, the first cold, but I stick it plug in. I said.
But show him that chicken, boy.
Can we make a fish pillow instead, yes?
A chicken machine, boy. But that dog rice. Think I cook at all.
boy. Man can't eat.
I eating that.